When I tell you Dollar Tree, they stepping up for me. Okay, they doing it. Okay, they are really. Get to your local or your nearest Dollar Tree today. Okay, you are going to be impressed. Okay. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. If not, do understand and get your days on to get better once your perception gets better. So today we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have inside. But I told you guys last time I was going to get one of these. Okay, so the pumpkin spice scent and the brown vanilla sugar scent. So I'm going to go ahead and get the brown vanilla sugar scent. But I'm going to pick one from the back because sometimes people be spraying the stuff. So honey, when I tell you these wipes are the truth, so I had grabbed one pack earlier today and I'm definitely gonna grab me another pack. These are so good. First of all, they vegan, they sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, and cruelty free, and they smell so good. Notes of pistachio and salted caramel. Oh my goodness, the smell of this, woo, chef's kiss. So I'm also going to get one of these, the Brazilian mist. This is just like the wipes. Okay, I want to try the mist because I seen a lot of people talk about the mist. I'm gonna get one of these, and then I'm also going to get these wipes. So I told you guys, honey, these wipes are so good. I absolutely love them. Okay, they smell so good and it's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lavender one. Okay, so first up, they have these goblet glasses. I had showed you guys these before. Well, these are plexiglass. And then they also have the skull fence. They also have head massagers that comes in different colors. The handle is different colors. These are really cute. I like the colors at the top. Okay, so this is really good. Dollar Tree now has, honey, Lysol, okay, for the toilet bowls, and these are $1.25. Now, they are a little tad smaller compared to the regular Lysol, but these are really good for $1.25. That's not bad at all. Okay, so these are really cool. These are Craft Decor Chalk Writer. Okay, these are nice. These sticker rolls are also cool. So it's 150 stickers. Enchanto. Very cool. Very nice. I like these. Dollar Tree also have these desktop notepads that says today is a new day, stay organized. Then they have more that says notes. I like these, $1.25. These mini bowls are really cute. I believe 12 comes to a pack for $1.25. So they have the green and the red. They also have this, like the fennel, the black and the red, and then they also have the black and the white. Okay, so Dollar Tree has some more of the decorative mirrors. I had showed you guys this one earlier today, I believe it was, but they also have this one that says wand, and then they also have this one that says love. Fancy pantsy. They also have the Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths. And I believe it's, 2 cloths comes. Okay, so one of the things that I like about Dollar Tree, they have this, okay, for use in Glade, but they don't have the containers that it goes with. So I'm like, gosh, y'all couldn't just get the containers? But Dollar Tree also have this luxury room mist, okay. So I told you guys last time that Dollar Tree have the shower curtain liners, the clear ones, because I don't really care for the decorative ones. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the decorative shower curtain liners. Me personally, I love the shower curtain liners, just the regular clear ones. Dollar Tree also have this bath bomb dust. This is the first time I've seen this. This is the Dino Strawberry Scented. They also have, honey, these look luxury, okay? This hand soap, Delta Home hand soaps, spiced pumpkin. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna grab this. Dollar Tree also have the high heel insoles for $1.25. Honey, where you gonna get the insoles for $1.25 but the Dollar Tree? Alright, so Dollar Tree also have the Cocoa Butter Body Lotion Dermasil. This is the first time I had seen this. Okay, let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this, and if so, how was it? They also have the all-purpose cream with Vaseline. I had seen this in the previous Dollar Tree that I was in earlier today. And they also have the Premium Petroleum Jelly Skin Softener for dry skin, absorbs quickly. Okay, so Dollar Tree said, who won it with me? Okay, this is what Dollar Tree said. They have this new facial cleanser, Kissable Fresh Start, with exfoliating beads with ginseng and vitamin C. Okay, Dollar Tree for $1.25, child. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these 2-pack face mask, clay mask, rejuvenating, and this is cucumber. Okay, so 2 packs come for $1.25. They also have the gel cream mask, hydrate, and glacier water, and pink. You know the other word. Okay, all right. And then they also have Hawaiian black salt 2-step peel mask. Ooh, this. I'm tempted to get it, but I'm not that tempted. Okay. And then they also have the rose gold sheet mask. And then they also have the arms toning and smoothing sheet mask for your arms, child. What you laughing for? And then they also have the makeup remover towels that comes in different colors. So this one blue. They also have white and pink. Okay, so I had showed you guys before the LA Colors Lip and Eye Studio, my son. Okay, these colors are really, really good. And last time I believe I had got this color. I don't know if it was this color. I think it was a little pink. And this is pretty much lip gloss, the pump gloss. Now, I had mentioned this before. The only thing I don't like about this is like when you put it on, you feel like a little sensation. But I'm going to go ahead and get this one. Okay, family, so I don't know what's going on with my audio when it comes to this part of my video, but Dollar Tree had these LA Colors Dramatic Lash Wispy eyelashes. These are so cute. So they come in different styles. Okay, I think it was like about 4 pairs. They were really cute. So they have the wispy lash, and then they have 3 other pairs up at the top. Okay, so these multi-purpose clips are really good for potato chips or anything that you open that you need to pretty much close so nothing would get inside. These are really cute. The little doggies and a cat is 3 for $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these little canisters, which are $1.25. And then how about the veggie storage containers? Okay, for $1.25. This is good. Okay, family, so I am going to check out. Okay, now when I tell you these nested measuring spoons are so cute. 6 pieces for $1.25. Okay, so I'm definitely going to grab these. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.